Succulents bring texture and colour to an outdoor space, perhaps your patio or on your outdoor dining setting. They are super eye-pleasing and they are really easy to care for. Step 1, your container. Our favourite thing about succulent planting is you can actually use anything as a planter, just as long as it has the appropriate drainage. We've chosen our succulent planter from Zakia.com, however you can use recycled goods or thrift shop finds as well. We've shopped online and we've chosen a variety of colours, heights and textures, and we're going to show you how to put it all together today to create your own succulent planter.
Step 2, prepare the container. Spread the stones over the entire base of the container. By doing this, it creates the gaps which improves airflow and helps to prevent root decay, roughly 5 centimetres deep. Then fill with your soil mix.
Step 3, prepare the succulents. Get your style right first and then lay your succulents out in the arrangement that you are after.
Our styling tips. Play with height and colour. Space out similar varieties and colours to give some contrast. Use a mix of tall, short and hanging succulents in your planter. Don't stress too much, just go with your gut. Step 4, planting time.
Position the main plants depending on your theme, so start by planting your main plants first. Succulents that grow vertically have bulk to them and are difficult to balance, so you will actually need to increase their stability by using the soil. Place the other plants around the main plants as if you were creating a bouquet.
Top dressing. You can add polished stones to your planter as a top dressing. They look great and can stop the arrangement from shifting over time.
Now, quick tips. Day of arranging, no water. Water 1 week later and then 2 weeks later. Where should I put them? In a spot with plenty of sunlight. Light, air and water are vital for a succulent. You can choose to shop your own mix, or we can list all the plants that we've used in the description below for you.